There is a huge change in CLAT PG syllabus in 2020, just updated one day back. So today we're going to talk about that. Hello everyone, welcome to Research Academy with Sudipta, the founder of Research. Today we are going to talk about huge change in CLAT PG syllabus. Now, I hope you have already gone through the site. If you haven't gone through the site, let me tell you the site, that is consortiumopenlus.ac.in. That is the CLAT website. Kindly go and check it out, the CLAT PG section, where it has been updated, the new syllabus. The new syllabus is quite huge in relation to what there was, because in previous syllabus it was only 7 subjects that was mentioned. Now it was around 13 to 14 subjects. Now previously it was constitution, jurisprudence and side by side contract, tort, IPR, international law and criminal law was there. Now the another 7 subjects have been added to the list, like the administrative law, like the company law, like even the environmental law, tax laws, labor and industrial laws, property laws, family law. So another 7 subjects have been added to the list. Now you might be thinking that's quite huge. I mean, the 13 subjects have been added, only 3 to 3.5 months left for the exam. Will that be possible? But there are advantages to this syllabus as well. I'm going to mention that as well. Now let's talk about the 2 advantages that you are going to get. Don't get panicked. This 13 subjects will be there. There are very less time, that I don't have a lot of time to study and everything. Don't think about this thing. Rather than take it as a positive change, because the first benefit that you are going to get is that most of the students who are going for the LLM, they are preparing for other LLM exams like the BSU, like the IIT Kharagpur, like ILAT PG, like DU, like ILI. So all those exams, or even the Central Universities exam, they have the syllabus, much wider syllabus than the previous CLAT PG syllabus. Okay, so the change in the CLAT PG syllabus is really good. Now you CLAT PG syllabus is at par with other LLM exam syllabus, because all the subjects, if you're preparing for the CLAT PG, you are done with the subjects and you are 85 to 90% done for all the other LLM exams. Like if you talk about DU, you talk about ILI, you talk about IIT Kharagpur, you talk about ILAT PG or BHU, because now the syllabus is wider. So that's one important point, because at the end of the day, if the CLAT PG syllabus is of only 7 subject syllabus, then you might have to study the other subjects for other different LLM exam. That you have to do it, and you are going to do it within these 3 months. Now for the inclusion of the 7 subjects in the CLAT PG, you have to do it now for the sake of CLAT PG and other LLM exam as well. So it's nothing has changed. It's just a simple thing that the CLAT PG, the subjects have been changed, but you are going to read the total 13 or 14 or 15 subjects in the next 3 months for due to other LLM exam. So nothing has changed. That what I am trying to say to you. The second important benefit that you are going to get if you go through these next 3 months and if you're preparing for these 13 subjects is that when you are going to appear for the UGC NET exam in the December, it will be really easy for you, because you are done with the 75 to 80% of the UGC NET syllabus. And when you are going to go for the December, the possibility of cracking the UGC NET law is much higher now, because you are already prepared for the exam. I mean, there are only 3 to 4 subjects are left after this. Okay, so all the 70-75 portion of the CLAT PG syllabus or the UGC NET syllabus are done while preparing for the CLAT PG. So it's very good aspects of the CLAT PG syllabus. Now don't think as a negative thing, rather than think it as a positive aspect and positive approach, and start preparing for it. If you feel that any query that you have or any comment that you want to make, please feel free to comment below. We would love to take it as the next video topic, or we are going to love to reply you back. And then all the new updated syllabus have already been updated in the CLAT PG crash course. So if you want to enroll in it, you can definitely enroll now. And also the live classes will be there for all the new updated syllabus as well. So you are going to get the old new syllabus. Total 13-14 subjects will be there for you in the CLAT PG crash course program. So it will be really helpful for your preparation. So do check it out. The link is given below in the description. It will help you in the preparation. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe to it and press the bell icon, and kindly do share this important thing because it has been changed for today. Its end, and next week we are going to meet again with new video with new topic. Thank you. See you soon.